The Philippine Customs Bureau will investigate the luxury vehicles of the Diskaya couple whose construction firms have been linked to huge flood control projects. It wants to verify if the Diskayas paid the proper import duties. The details from Jerv.
The couple's luxury vehicles went viral on social media following their interviews with two known media personalities. The agency says it's quite unusual for one family to have a fleet of luxury cars. The BOC wants to know if their purchase of these multi-million peso vehicles was above board.
Gusto namin makita yung pinagbayaran niya at yung proseso kung paano siya itong mga luxury vehicles na to.
Luxury cars is not illegal, but he says this raises questions on Diskaya's source of income. After the couple was
already being circulated, of course, magkakaroon talaga ng bahid ng duda, no? At magkakaroon din ng rason na tingnan lang, at least na tingnan namin kung ito bang mga to ay paano ipinasok, ano yung deklarasyon at kung saan may allegation doon sa kanilang mga ginagawang kontrata. Same time, nakikita mo ngayon na may mga ganitong klaseng luxury vehicles, no? That are apparently worth hundreds of millions of pesos in totality. No? So we want to look into tax compliance also.
If they're found to have underpaid or evaded taxes, will face disqualification from future government procurement.